Class 5, Chapter 5, Community Services. Today, let's do the question answer of this chapter. Page number 42, question number A. Question number A. Take the correct option. 3 options are given over here in this question. You will have to take the correct answer. So the first question is, who constructed Sarai in olden time? The answer you know. Who constructed the Sarai in olden time? The kings, ministers, pilgrims. So the correct answer is number A, king. See in your book in page number 42. Question number A. Tick the correct option. Who constructed? Question number 1 is, who constructed the Sarai in olden time? Answer is option number A, kings. Number 2. Question number 2. What is the technique of collecting, storing and using rainwater known as? I am repeating the question. What is the technique of collecting, storing and using rainwater known as? Options are number A, water harvesting, number B, agriculture, number C, irrigation. The correct answer is the technique of collecting, storing and rainwater, using rainwater, is known as water harvesting. So correct answer is number A, water harvesting. Number A, water harvesting. Correct answer is water harvesting. Number 3. Where are kunds commonly found? I am repeating the question. Question number 3. Where are kunds commonly found? Option number 1, Assam. Number 2, Tamil Nadu. Number 3, Gujarat. So correct answer is number C, Gujarat. Correct answer is number C, Gujarat. Children, you know that the kunds are found in Gujarat, Rajasthan and Haryana. So the correct answer is Gujarat. Question number 4. In our country, water is mainly supplied through, I am repeating the question. In our country, water is mainly supplied through, option number 1, option number A, wells, number 2, pipeline, number 3, tube well. So the correct answer is number B, pipeline. Pipelines. The correct answer is number B, pipelines. So these are the answers of question number A. I am repeating the answers. Question number A, tick the correct options. A1, who constructed Sarai in olden time? Answer will be kings. Number 2, what is the technique of collecting, storing and using rainwater known as? Answer is water harvesting. Number 3, where are kunds commonly found? Answer is Gujarat. Number 4, in our country, water is mainly supplied through Answer is pipeline. This is your homework. You will have to write as well as learn it. Now is question number B. Fill in the blanks. First question. Step wells harvest dash water. Question number 1. Step wells harvest dash water. The correct answer will be rain water. Fill in the blanks with rain. Step wells harvest rain water. Number 2. Community service has always been an important part of Indian dash and dash. Community service has always been an important part of Indian culture and history. Fill their culture and history. Community service has always been an important part of Indian culture and history. Question number 3. Dash is a great ruler. Understood the importance of good road for the progress of trade. So memorize the name of the king who understood the importance of good road for the progress of the trade. What will be the answer? The answer will be Ashoka. Ashoka. Ashoka was a great ruler. Ashoka, a great ruler, understood the importance of good road for the progress of trade. Next question, question number 4. Sisandras were built in. You know where Sisandras were built? Sisandra was the tub-like structure. Sisandra, a tub-like structure built in Karnataka. So answer will be Karnataka. Sisandras were built in Karnataka. Next question, number 5. Sarai is a dash house. What is Sarai? Sarai is a rest house. Sarai is a rest house. What is Sarai? Sarai is a rest house. Now I am repeating all the answers. Fill in the blanks. Page number 42. First question. Step wells harvest dash water. Step well harvest rain water. Next, number 2. Community service has always been an important part of Indian culture and history. Answer will be culture and history. Next question, number 3. Dash, a great ruler, understood the importance of good road for the progress of trade. The name of the ruler, Ashoka. Next, number 4. Sisandras were built in. Answer, Karnataka. Sisandras were built in Karnataka. Number 5. Sarai is a rest house. Answer is Sarai is a rest house. This is also your homework. You will have to write and learn it. The next question, question number C. Page number 43. Question number C. State whether true or false. Question number 1. Step wells are not common in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Answer is false. And children, you have already studied that in some areas the step wells are constructed to harvest the rainwater and provide water to the people and the palace during dry month. Some step wells found in Gujarat and Rajasthan are 5 to 7 story deep. And what is the step well known as? Step well known as water temple of India. So the step well, the question is, the step well are not common in Gujarat and Rajasthan. So the answer is false, because the step wells are common in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Number 2. People are unaware about the benefits of tree plantation. But you know, the people nowadays, the peoples are aware. But the question is asking, it's asking, the people are unaware about the benefit of tree plantation. But it is not true. Nowadays, the people are aware about the benefits of tree plantation. So the statement is false. Nowadays, the people are becoming aware of the importance of saving natural resources like water, forest, wildlife. So the people are becoming aware about the benefit of trees. Now the peoples are aware about the benefits of tree plantation. So you have seen many projects have been started to plant more and more trees. Just like one Mahotsav, each one plant one trees. Chipko movement is also there against the deforestation. So nowadays the people are aware. Next question, number 3. Government and its agencies look after community service in the modern time. Is it true or not? It is true. In ancient time, who take care of the community services? The kings. But nowadays, in modern time, the government and its agencies look after community service. Next question. Question number 4. Water pollution has become a major concern in all parts of India. That's true. Water pollution has become major issue in most part of India. Water pollution has become a major concern in all part of India, and it is mainly caused by dumping of household and industrial waste. What are the causes of water pollution? Dumping of household and industrial waste, and it is major concern, major issue in all part of India. Next is number 5. Water harvesting is a modern technique. This is False. Water harvesting is not a modern technique. So water harvesting is not a modern technique. And you know, during the time of Chandragupta Maurya also, dams, lakes and irrigation system were built. So water harvesting is not a modern technique. Now see again. Question number C. You will have to write whether the statement it is true or false. Step well are not common in Gujarat and Rajasthan. False. Number 2. People are unaware about the benefits of tree plantation. False, because the people are aware nowadays. Next question number 3. Government and its agencies look after community service in modern time. True. Water pollution has become major concern in all parts of India. That's true. Water harvesting is a modern technique. It is false. Now this one is also your homework. You will have to write and learn it. So together your homework is to write and learn question number A, question number B, question number C of chapter 5, page number 42 and 43. So children, community service is very important to create a cleaner and greener India. So children, the protection of environment is the responsibility of community. We should work hard. We should conserve our natural resources. We should save our trees, soil, water. That is our responsibility, because we have shared our resources with the past generation and we will have to do so with the future generation also. Also, we should live in community with cooperation, tolerance, harmony and brotherhood. Now you note down your homework. Today's homework, write and learn question number A, B and C, page number 42 and 43. Note down your homework. Page number 42 and 43. This is your homework. Write and learn.